7. This time the Antipolo Titans will going up against the Caloocan Supremos. Of course, this is the second Jan Yap Cup 9th season of NYBL. Presented by Spalding by Sir Joven Baban, Eliza Lustrous Beauty by Tony and Elizabeth, Luis Buco by Sheila Lim, Koto Box by Shirley Pinheiro, Capecha by Dennis Batan, Mary School Marikina, official NYBL venue, Bean Project Multimedia Productions, our official live stream partner, and NYBL official trophies and plaques by RG Santiago City Hoops and all NYBL teams participating. Ryan para po kasama si Coach John Hapos. John Hapos will join us shortly. In the meantime, a missed shot, turnaround, got it. First field goal, courtesy of Caloocan Supremos. Three-pointer. Para sa Antipolo Titans. Caloocan Supremos wearing in white and green. And Antipolo Titans wearing in red. Excuse me. Inside play, nothing. Takbo na dito ang mga Titans. Fast break blitz. The layup won't work. Defensive rebound inside. Put back, yes. 5-2 ang ating talaan. 8:39 remaining sa ating first quarter. Press dito ang Titans. And an interception. Here's Kamanag. Layup. It's now 7-2 in favor of Antipolo Titans. 8:16 left, first period. Another interception. Touch pass. And another, mintis. Offensive rebound reverse. Early timeout will be called for Caloocan Supremos. They're down by 7 points, 9-2. We have a timeout. Early 9-2 blast here for Antipolo Titans. White shirts, Caloocan. 2 points pa lamang sila. And here comes the drive. Excuse me. Good block shot. 9-2. Magandang panimula dito, Coach Jan, ng Antipolo Titans.
Actually, depleted yung lineup ng Caloocan, no? After winning against Opasio na tumalo kanina lang dito sa Antipolo Titans. Now, nabaliktad naman ang sitwasyon. Antipolo Titans naman na may kalamangan dito sa tao ngayon. And they can take that advantage again.
Yeah.
Ang mga style lang naman sa mga ganyan is ang mga kailangan lang naman talaga sa mga ganyan is takbuhan mo lang ng takbuhan yan. Pagurin mo lang kalaban mo.
That's right.
Pag napagod yan, yung ganyang depleted na lineup, ikaw na mismo ang kakain dyan sa kalaban mo.
After the Royelo miss, the Titans getting back the offensive rebound. Here's Cardenas, southpaw shot, wala. Put back, ayaw pa rin. And now Caloocan Supremos only playing 5 players, walang kapalitan dito, so they're going to play on full 40 minutes of playing time, probably not unless the other players will arrive here. And out of bounds play, third over, babalik ang bola sa Antipolo.
May pinahabol daw pero alam mo kasi ang hirap talaga pag long weekends.
Ay, oo.
Pag
vacation mode
pag nakaplano yung mga plano yung pamilya.
Oh. It's gonna be a tall order. Cross-court pass to the left quarter, left elbow, 3-point shot, bitin. Supremos with a rebound, and here comes another break. Here's the drive, the kick out. Drop pass, here's the shot that will not work. Para kay Ilozo. And almost a turnover. Yes, it is stolen by the Titans. 3-on-2 break. Royelo, no-look pass. Touch passing Cardenas. That's the fast break finish by the Titans.
Yan yung sinasabi natin. Find the open man. Find the offense of your teammate. Nakita ron ni Bigo na mas libre itong si Cardenas. So he made that extra pass. Pero yun, quick retaliation coming from number 23 of Caloocan.
That's Samonte. 9-4. 5-18. Here's the 3-point shot on the right wing. Got it. That's Antonio. It is now, is this 9-7? Parang ito that's 12-7 para mali yung score. Hang time move, yes. 5 straight points. That's Royelo.
Kinarek na, partner. 14-6 ang ating
46
score.
dapat. So tatawag muli ang timeout ng Caloocan. They already burned all their timeouts in the first half. Magbabalik po kami. Short wide coach.
Now, a...
Short wide coach. So, may
partner, no? NYBL.
14-6 is tally. And just a short wide coach. So, may
Partner,
papakilala ka.
no? Makakasama mo yung ating one of the regulars ng NYBL, of course, courtside reporter. Minsan kasama natin dito sa production. Now, a beauty tight list, no? Makakasama si Ryan Paro in just a short one.
Yes, of course. We're talking about the Ivy. Of course, Ivy will continue. Ivy, kwento mo nga sa akin, ano yung sasalihan mong pageant and tell us something about it.
Hindi siya totally sasalian. It's actually tapos na. And I am entitled bilang Binibining San Luis as Kalikasan. And kagabi lang siya nangyari. Tapos siya kaninang umagang 2 a.m.
At kumusta naman ang iyong experience bilang isa sa mga title holders? Did it help you boost your confidence as a woman?
It helped me to boost my confidence also. Kasi po, napakalaking experience po itong nangyari sa akin. Kasi when I was grade 7 po, nangyari din po siya. Entitled din po ako as Miss Anne's grade 7. And also ngayon, naulit-ulit siya bilang Binibining Kalikasan ng San Luis ng Antipolo City po.
And who knows, baka after a few years, maybe when you turn 20, 23, 24, you might as well representing Antipolo, either Miss World, Miss Universe, or whatever pageant you have. And of course, this is your opportunity, Ivy, na magpasalamat sa ating mga viewers, and any greetings or any promotions, go ahead.
Well, bago yan, no? Ganyan, ako may personal din lang.
Oh, sige, go ahead.
Of course, how did NYBL, yung experience now with NYBL, help you on that competition kagabi?
It boosts my confidence kasi syempre may interaction na ako sa mga tao. So, nalalasan yung kaba ko para magsalita sa harap ng mga tao. And also, it helps me to boost my speak na mapalawak yung mga masasabi ko sa bawat tanong na masasagot ko sa kanila.
So once again, Rian, congratulations, and the NYBL family is so proud of you.
Oo, congrats.
Yung huling tanong ni Ryan, pakisagot mo, and also pasalamatan mo na rin yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan.
Yeah, very great for promotions, go ahead.
Second runner-up sa katatapos ng beauty pageant in San Antipolo.
Nagpapasalamat po ako una sa lahat sa Diyos, and also to my family na super supportive, and to my boyfriend right there na naglalaro ngayon. Thank you sa'yo. And pinopromote ko po kayo na bumili kayo ng Yongwon na sabon. Napakaganda po na tong sabon na to na nagpapakita sa mga ating mukha. And also, always know your lagi mong tatandaan na hindi porket nandyan ka lang is dyan lang. Tatandaan mo na hindi ka lang dyan, kundi para ka sa lahat. Kumbaga, hindi ka lang, parang hindi ka lang po paano mo ba ma-deliver yun? Hindi ka lang...
You'll be versatile. Kung baka pwede ka in any fields, ha?
Yes, right. Madami ka pong mararating. Huwag mong...
Let's keep on dreaming.
Yes, yan.
And do not limit yourself, ha?
Yes, yan po, yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, we, of course, our courtside reporter for NY, Miss Ivy, congratulations and best of luck to you and more power.
Rian po ako.
Ha?
Rian.
Sorry
Rian
naman,
po,
sorry
Rian
naman.
Denise.
Na-misinterpret tuloy kita.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Alright,
Thank you
Salamat.
po.
and congratulations.
Thank you po.
Alright, back tayo dito sa ating laban ng Antipolo Titans, leading by just 7 right now.
A minute remaining in the second quarter and a layup scored there for the white shirts of Caloocan Supremos. 52 ticks remaining sa ating first half. Here's the shot. In and out. Para kay Llanera. Herrera, former Nueva Ecija na yun, Antipolo na siya. Here's a 3-point on the right wing. Wala talaga. Hirap na hirap sila sa 3 points ang Caloocan. 30
Nelly
ticks to
Rodolfo,
go.
congrats sa RD. Coach Jay Cruz is watching again. Afternoon.
25
morning,
seconds.
late morning.
Yeah.
Late morning to everyone.
In the meantime, we have a foul given up by the Supremos. Dalawang free throw mabibiyaan para sa Antipolo Titans. That's Saturno.
Well, ako partner dito sa mga nasa 16 under, no? Ito yung binabanggit nating edad, eh. This is the turning point, no? Kung sakali na para going up to the varsity level, to the next level, no? Para mapansin ka, kailangan mo talaga mag-perform. Kailangan you have that extra special. Lalo na if you don't have that height, no? Kailangan talaga may something, may X factor tayong tinatawag. Yun yung mga hinahanap kasi ng mga coaches, eh, the X factor, eh. Meron tayong mga nakikita, hindi magaling, pero bakit nasasama? Kasi yung X factor lang na talagang malaki yung naitutulong niya sa team. Kahit hindi siya scorer, pero malaki yung factor niya sa loob ng team.
In the meantime, we have a home run for the Supremos, and that might be the size of the first half as the Titans lead is chopped down to just 4, 23-19. Pagdating na ating third quarter, marami kami pag-uusapan ni Coach John regarding to the succeeding first half. We'll be right back for more NYBL action. Okay, Spalding, the official ball. Thank you so much, Sir Robin Baban, of course. Sir John Yap, of course, representing the second John Yap Cup. Elisa Lustrous Beauty by Tony and Elizabeth. Luis Buco by Sheila Lim. Gora Box by Shirley Pinheiro. Kapencha by Dennis Batan. Marriage School Marikina official NYBL venue. Bean Project Multimedia Production, our official live stream partner. And of course, NYBL official trophies and plaques by RG Santiago of City Hoops and all NYBL teams participating. Ryan Palpo kasama si Coach Jan Hapos. Coach Jan, ano nakita mo sa first quarter for both teams?
Well, sumasabay, no? Kumbaga sa, kumakagat sa pain itong Caloocan Supremo. So, dapat i-take advantage na, samantalahin na, no? Ng Antipolo Titans. Don't play around. Minsan kasi overconfidence, eh. Makikita mo, parang dahil kaya namin yan.
Laro-laro lang.
Laro-laro na lang, limahan na lang tayo. Pababa pag gusto, tatakbo pag gusto. Dapat hindi ganun ang attitude ng players. Dapat ang attitude mo lagi, you will always have that killer instinct, no?
Yes.
If you can pin down your opponent to 50, 60 points, do it. Diba? No mercy.
Correct.
Pakita mo na lang ang mercy on the last dying minutes of the ball game.
Maybe on the last minute.
Just not the mercy but showing respect na.
Correct.
Sa yung kalaban. Ang masakit minsan yung nangyayaring ganito dahil nilalaro-laro nyo. Kaya pagdating sa dulo, nawawala yung respeto sa basketball. Although, it is an unwritten rule of the basketball.
Exactly.
It is an unwritten rule. Pero iba yung may respeto ka pagdating sa kalaban.
Kasi kung nawawala yung respeto, yun ang mitya ng away.
Yes.
Even in the end game, no?
Yung one game na nagkakagulo pa.
Oo. Which is totally unnecessary or uncalled for. In the meantime, Cardenas 6 the first free throw. The lead is restored back to 7. They missed the second free throw and Caloocan Supremo still in a 19-point bulge.
Samahan ng trapping, partner.
Oo.
Ang samahan ng trapping, nakita mo? 3 player na ganun sa may...
Tapos libre yung bandang sa Caloocan, hindi nga lang pumasok yung tira.
Oo. Hindi, if Antipolo Titans, no? Kailangan nilang tignan dito if they want to be really a competitive team, no? A hard team to lose, a hard team to beat. Kailangan dito yung trapping nila. Nagtatrap ka nga, eh. Kaya ka nagtatrap. So execute the trap properly.
Drop pass inside.
Traveling yun.
It's going to be a
3
traveling.
seconds.
Or 3 seconds or whatsoever. It's still an error for Antipolo. That's another thing for Antipolo that they need to make to minimize their errors kasi it will haunt them at the end of this game. Nice fast break by the Supremos. Yun nga lang, but there's a stick back.
Yun yung sinasabi natin, partner. Because of that masyadong dikit-dikit na trap, walang kwenta yung trap na nangyayari. Kasi, let's all remember, no, the basic basic principle of the trap. Ano ba yung two or three basic principle of the trap? Unang-una, partner, it's not to steal the ball. The basic principle is to stop or to delay the play of your opponent.
Correct.
Now, pangalawa, to get violations. Unang-una, yung
8 seconds.
8 seconds violation backcourt. Pangalawa, the 24 seconds. At pangatlo na lang yung steal.
At
Ang
meron pa isa.
nangyayari, partner, nagiging main principle ng mga dumidepensa ng trap is to steal that ball. If you want to steal that ball, never ever steal that ball dun sa taong nagdi-dribble.
Correct.
Always wait for that passing lane,
Yeah.
to cover that passing lane.
At may inject ko lang, coach. Bukod pa doon, pwede pang mangyari yung 5-second ball hogging violation. Kung
Correct.
sakaling tatlo sumalubong sa iyo at hindi na nila na-advance ang bola.
Yun talagang mga basic principle ng trapping. Hindi yung maagaw mo yung bola. Pero dito nakikita natin for the Antipolo Titans, ang importante sa kanila, maagaw nila dahil gusto nilang makashoot sila.
Antipolo Titans call a timeout. We'll be right back. Ito na ang Caloocan Supremos. Let's see if they can mount a full-scale uprising. They're just down by 3 points. However, they forgot the shot clock, coach.
Akala nila 24, di nila alam 14 seconds lang dahil galing yun sa violation. At sa front court na sila naging ball. Well, partner, ako dito, no? Swerte ng mga player ng Antipolo Titans dahil napakabait ng coach nila. Kung iba-ibang coach ng mga kilala ko to, malamang.
Sermon yan.
Hindi lang sermon, partner. Alam mo ako, naniniwala ako sa top love of coaching. Ako, madalas, ako sumisigaw talaga ako, naninigaw ako. I also sometimes say bad words, no?
Oo.
Mga profane language.
Malayang iyaw, coach.
Oo, pero never naman ako ng insulto ng player.
Yun
Yun ang importante sa akin. Pero, kasi alam mo, sa gantong scenario, that you are competing with only 5 players, and this is already we're already in the 5 minutes of the second half, or
Second
the second quarter. Dapat to, at least mga 10 points na lamang need nyo rito.
O 15.
Or basta double digit na. Pero
Yes.
nakita mo naman, hindi ko naman dinidiscredit ang effort ng Caloocan Supremos. Pero bakit ganito yung nangyayari? Kasi ang ginagawa rito ng Antipolo Titans, naglalaro lang sila ng pick-up game.
They're not dead serious or they're not on the
No.
performance level.
Hindi competitive basketball ang nilaro nila. Naglalaro sila, kita mo yon, partner, walang kadepensa sa gitna, tinitignan lang nila. Ang tawag na natin dyan, ghost defense.
Oo. Token,
Diba?
token defense lang.
Ghost defense lang, na pinanonood mo lang. Titignan mo lang kung papasok o hindi.
In the meantime, we have a foul after the miss. And believe it or not, Titans with a 3-point advantage. Now they're changing all the men. All new 5 players on the floor for Antipolo.
Hindi ganun ang basketball eh. Kaya, well, I hope this is a wake-up call
For them.
rito sa Antipolo Titans.
As far as the Antipolo is concerned. And now look at this. Caloocan, despite of having 5 players, great drop pass.
Well, definitely si Coach Eco nanonood, no? Ito sa akin lang naman, ano lang to eh. Yung owner ng Titans, sigurado papanoorin man. Hindi niyo man yan napapanood ko ngayon ng live. Manonood yan ng review dahil inaantay nga rin niya yung ating mga analysis and commentaries on the game. Kagaya nun, libre na naman, partner.
Almost made it. And that,
Lucky break, hindi pumasok. Pero tignan mo ang bilis tumakbo pagdating sa opensa. Pero pag sa depensa, jogging lang tayo, baka
That's
mapagod
right.
tayo.
Oo. Ayaw nila mag-take the risk to play defense. And that time, another token defense, and that's another easy layup.
Meron nga ako napanood na reels eh. Yung, I don't know kung napanood mo na rin. Yung batang pinupulikat.
Hindi ko pa napanood.
Merong reels ngayon na kumalat na nag-viral. Yung bata pinupulikat. Pinupulikat yung bata. So naglilimp siya going to the baseline. Kasi sinablay niya yung tira eh. So pinupulikat siya, hawak-hawak niya yung paa niya. Maniniwala ka ba siya nakashoot pagbalik sa kanila ng bola?
How about
Alam mo
that?
bakit? Nag-turn over yung kalaban eh.
Yes.
Nung nakita niyang pass break, kinuha niya, tumayo siya, kinuha niya yung bola.
Oo. Biglang nagising yung Caloocan niya, no?
Oo. Yun yung masakit. na tanggapin natin. This is the sad reality of basketball players. Lalo-lalo na itong mga batang to. They think magaling ka pag nakakashoot ka.
The ego is like overboard instead of humility.
Kasi
no?
ang mga manonood natin, yun din ang thinking eh. Pag nakakashoot, yun yung magaling. Di ba? Eto partner, tanong ko lang sa'yo. Sino naka-appreciate kay Jamal Crawford?
Palagi ko,
One of the most underrated journeyman ng NBA.
for 20 years,
More than 20 years.
21 years pala.
Di ba?
to be exact.
Underrated yan. Siya ang journeyman. Halos lahat, siguro, baka
Dami.
50% ng
Bulls,
team.
Clippers,
50%
Knicks.
ata ng team napuntahan niya.
Yes, 12,
Diba?
12 teams siya out of the 30.
Pero kung titignan mo siya, madalas pa rin na napapansin sa kanya is his crossover, that killer crossover, cross
Between the legs.
between the legs, reverse,
Layup.
behind the back na crossover niya. Yun yung madalas tinitignan sa kanya. Pero walang nakapansin sa kanya how great defensive defensive guard
Limiting the
na
scores yung binabantayan niya.
si Jamal Crawford. Sino ang naka-appreciate kay Udonis Haslem?
Si Kobe.
Di ba? Si Dwayne Wade lang at saka
Dwayne Wade.
Pero karamihan ng mga bata na-appreciate ba nila? Hindi. AC Green, the Iron Man,
Ng LA Lakers.
1,081 straight games without a miss.
Without a miss.
And always part of the defensive team. Di ba? The first defensive
Seven
team.
times.
7-time defensive, all-time defensive team ng NBA. May nakapansin ba sa kanya?
Wala.
Wala rin. Pero siya ang integral factor, one of the integral factor na naging champion.
And
Diba?
another defensive superstar, Dennis Rodman. He's not a scorer, he's a rebounder. Pero ang napansin sa kanya yung hustle, pero yung kanyang basketball IQ, it's off the charts. In the meantime, we have a foul.
That
Santi
will
Polo
be
Titans,
against-
unnotingly, with a 3-point advantage only.
Foul number 8. Itong si Makatangay and 2 free throws ang ititira rito ni number 11 of Titans.
The Titans now will call their last time out of the first half. We'll be right back. By 3.
Sir, noted po yan, sir. Tayo po yan napupunta lang doon sa ating kuro-kuro about the developmental of basketball.
Yeah.
Actually po, more special talaga is really giving pansinin no kung ano po yung mga kailangan improvement ng mga bata.
That's right.
Pero we're noted on that one.
A minute to go. The lob pass, almost intercepted. Remember, Caloocan still has 5 players, but they are the fighting 5 of the Supremos. Here's the front result, and there's going to be a foul downstairs. Foul will be called on Antonio. That will be his second personal foul. Baseline the hook shot. Di pumasok. And here comes the Titans with 44 ticks to go. First half, may konting bangga. Referees let it go. 3-point shot on the right elbow. Can't connect. Defensive rebound. The reverse. Bitin. And here comes the Supremos on the break. And no turnover. Just a tap. It will stay with the Supremos. We're down to the final 27.4 ticks. Before we call this a very quick halftime, lemon time break. Oh, good pass!
18-bound play.
Samonte with a finish.
Makatangay ito sa Monte.
17 ticks to go. Last shot time for the Titans. We will call it a half. Antonio says, ubus tayo ng oras. 10 seconds to go. Here's Rodolfo. Down to 5. Here's Llanera from far side. The cut, the drive, the bucket. And that should do it. First half is history, but it is just a slim 6-point lead for the Titans, 43-39. We'll be right back with the second half. You're watching. Game of 7 is Caloocan versus Antipolo, of course. You're still watching the second Gen Cup Season 9, presented to you by Spalding. Thank you so much, Sir Joven Babaan. Eliza Lustrous Beauty by Tony and Elizabeth. Luis Buco by Sheila Lim. Goro Box by Cheryl Pinheiro. Kapencha by Dennis Batan. Official venue, Marist School, Marikina. Our live and plaques by RG Santiago City Hills. and all NYBL teams. Coach, na may napansin ako na 6 players na ang Caloocan.
Yes, partner, may dumating tayo. Additional player from Caloocan, a bit latecomer, itong si Macdaris
Ferrer.
Was wearing jersey number 4.
And
Partner, ito, batiin lang natin.
Go ahead, please.
Puntahan lang natin yung ating Facebook page. Meli Rodolfo, go, Antipolo Titans. Anak-anakan ko from Caloocan, Mon Joaquin Rivera is watching. Good luck sa mga games mo. Sir Ray Makatangay, no problemas po. We understand po. Ayun, there's a big three. Coming from number 23, si Pundulanan, who made that big three, and immediately a basket. Just a 3-point lead by Antipolo Titans. Lifting violation will be called, dribbling violation will be called against Renzo Makatangay. And Sir Ray, hingi rin po kami ng apology. Medyo mahirap po talagang tignan yung jersey number and last name ng ating mga players from Caloocan
That's
Supremos on our point of view. No? Ferrer, nagmamadali. Oh.
that's missed by Ferrer.
Yan yung nangyari kanina with Antipolo Titans na yung mga latecomers no, naging disadvantage.
Sidestep by Saturno. Unsuccessful. Offensive rebound there for the Ventures. Swinging it around on the left elbow. 3-point shot. Won't bite. Rebound. Touch last by the Ventures.
Siguro kulang ng talon. Itong tira ni number 7. No, itong si Cardenas. Kulang ng lundag eh. Nakaset shot siya pero walang help coming from the leg eh. Walang power from the leg. Nasa kamay lahat. Cardenas.
And that's a wide open shot. Another finish. Adolfo secures it. And the lead now is increased slowly to 5.
Dulos with that basket.
Oh, Dulos rather. Eto na si Makatangay. He blew it. Fresh 14 for the white shirts. White and green. 10 on the shot clock.
Pundulanan, mala LeBron James ang
Oh,
atake.
look at that cross. Running shot. It goes!
Di ba? Mala LeBron shot yung atake na yun coming from Maverick, Pundulanan.
At the meantime, a foul downstairs or probably upstairs because they caught his hand on the cookie jar. It's going to be 2 free throws will be awarded para sa Antipolo Titans.
Si Ramirez ang tatawagan ng foul doon.
Only his first personal. Actually, nung second quarter, Coach Jan, I have never seen a foul for Caloocan Supremos. Never. No fouls from them.
Hindi, kanina nasa penalty sila.
Penalty na ba?
Oo, penalty sila. Yung
I think
Antipolo Titans ang isang team foul lang ang inabot.
Okay. Check
Kasi nga hindi dumidepensa.
Ferrer with the miss after the rejection. Cardenas with a nice sidestep, but he blew it. And the ball goes out of bounds. Babalik sa Caloocan.
That's the typical thing about the Euro step is how to balance your body to have that control of the ball. At yun, nakita mo yun sa layup ni Cardenas.
Titans. And there's a trapping defense, Antipolo, but they leave this guy wide open. Yun nga lang, sobrang tira.
Sayang yung execution of play, pero ganda ng ball movement.
The pitch. And almost a bad pass. Saturno drives. Misfires. Put back. Is there for Antipolo.
At dito nakikita mo na, partner, yung stamina problem na inaabot na rito ang Supremos. Pero Supremos can still, alam mo, ang kailangan dito sa Supremos, the will, no?
Yeah.
The will to steal this game. And another miss. Now a drive.
The drop pass. And a bucket.
They just need to keep this game very close after the last dying minutes of this ball game.
Single
para
digits.
Supremos.
Huwag nilang paabutin ng double digits.
Hanggat maaari.
In the meantime,
Pero
that's Manlambayan. And here comes, Makatangay was, sorry, it's not Makatangay, it's number 11 player was rejected.
si Season. Arcel Season, deflected by Pelomino.
Approaching the halfway house stop of the third quarter, mga kaibigan. Caloocan Supremos, despite of having 6 players, they managed to have this a 9-point deficit. But of course, we can see some of the players are hopping and puffing. So this will be on a bad omen if they fail to convert those. Oh, that's a great pass. Madlambayan with almost a good assist,
Makatangay made that pass.
or Makatangay rather. 2 free throws will be awarded.
And two free throws here para kay Season.
The lead is 9 points, and Season will try to take care of business from the free throw line.
Oh.
Not much muscle behind it.
Angyari. Yun yung mga angyari. And again, it's a perpetual sin to miss free throws. The only shot that there will be no defender, and you have the time in the world to concentrate on taking the shot. Tapos,
Miss
dalawang tira, partner.
53 to 44, 4 minutes and 37 in the third period. And here comes the trapping defense by the Supremos. Antonio says, let's slow down. Antonio with a bounce pass. Off the screen. Here's the drop pass. Nice play.
Actually, dalawa yung cutter. Munti ka magkagawan doon. Pero that basket will credit to Llanera.
That's Llanera's basket. And now the lead is a double digits, 11 points. And we have a charging foul against Caloocan.
Yun ang masakit. Double digit na, partner. Unti-unti na. Antipolo.
So slowly but surely, Coach John, we can see the Antipolo Titans third quarter store.
Pero that's not because they are not really doing a great game.
Oh.
Gusto ko lang i-clear.
Yeah,
Nangyayari yan dahil nakikita natin pagod na ang Supremos.
that's right. And
Finally.
here comes Makatangay with a basket.
After a long while, a basket coming from Renzo Makatangay on that assist of Maverick Pondolanan.
Here's Llanera, cans it from 19. The lead restored back to 11, 57-46. 3:27 in the third period. Here's Makatangay. Double team. Drives down the baseline and he draws a foul.
Dito, partner, mahaba pa to. With 3 minutes
Yeah.
and so,
Maba pa yan.
plus 10 minutes ng fourth quarter. Hindi kailangan madaliin ng Supremos yung kanilang opensa. I think they have to use the clock, no?
And
Kahit sila yung trailing.
Oo.
Eto, discard ito. They are now trailing by 13. Slow down the pace of the game. Huwag nyong pilitin yung huwag umabot. More than 70 points ang Antipolo Titans. Dahil pag lumampas sila ng 70, bad news na yan para dito. Dahil hindi mahihirapan ng umabot ng 70 ang Supremos dito.
Hang time move is good. And now they scored 48 or 46?
Mala LBJ talaga
Oo nga, no?
umatake to si Maverick Pondolanan.
Antonio misfires from 3-point region, and now the Caloocan Supremos. Here comes again. Nice pass. Makatangay. Can't drill the basket.
Pero ito talagang doing all he can para sa Caloocan Supremos. Itong si Maverick.
Here's the three-pointer. In and out. Exact 2 minutes left in the third period. The Titans up by 11. Vigo drives. Baseline. Back to Alao. Thought about it. 3 ball from the corner. Banks it out. Llanera keeps it alive with offensive rebound. Fade away. Unable to connect. Third effort for the Titans. He was lock jammed. And instantly a foul by Ferrer.
Medyo dinig natin dito. Hanggang dito, dinig natin yung hampas
Oh. Plak! Daig pa yung kagat ng lamok, ano?
Pumatay ng lamok.
1:25 remaining on a cloudy Sunday here in Marikina. Oh, nice knockout play.
Yun na yung sinasabi natin, nararamdaman na yung pagod. Dahil almost no reaction na. No
61.
resistance na sa depensa. At sa
48.
threat, nakaagaw pa.
Antonio going all the way. He got it. The lead is now 15 points. It's 63-48 the Titans. Exactly 1 minute left in the third.
Well, talagang ito, si Trent, kailangan niya rin matutunan talaga on how to attack the basket. Hindi pwedeng mag-rely. Although he has that good touch from the rainbow area. Oh, traveling yan.
Did you see that rejection after that blind pass?
Traveling
Vigo.
yan, partner. Great defense by Vigo.
Tremendous rejection, forcing a traveling error for the Supremos. 40 ticks to go. Third period. Here's Adolfo. Antonio. Baseline. Allow. Rims out. Ball goes back to the White Shirts. And here comes another fast break opportunity for the Supremos. Can they do it? Yes, sir. Plus a foul. It's going to be 3-point play opportunity in the offing.
Finally, season. Nakabutas na rito ng ring, no?
Only the 4th point of season. He scored
Kaya
2
lang, ang
first half.
sama talaga ng free throw pa niya.
Unproductive. It is unproductive.
Hindi ko na masasabing pagod eh. Talagang, does he have a problem on his shoulder? Kung bakit ganun, ano? Hindi natin alam. Pero, he needs to work hard sa kanyang free throw shooting.
Maybe as a team, they need to have a constant or maybe a much improved practice on their shooting. As we wind down to the final 10 seconds of the third quarter, 63-50 Antipolo. There's a pick provided. Llanera